In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable drag to group tabs in Microsoft Edge step by step. This is a really useful setting if you like keeping your browser organized because it makes it much easier to group related tabs together quickly instead of managing everything manually. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of your browser settings and customization options. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and behaves, including tabs, toolbar options, and other visual settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Tabs section. Inside the tabs area, you should see different tab-related options that let you customize how your browser handles open pages. Now look for the option called Drag to Group Tabs. This is the setting we want to turn on. Simply toggle it to the on position. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to drag tabs together and create groups much more easily, which is perfect for organizing work, research, shopping, or any other browsing session. And that's it. You've now enabled drag to group tabs in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.